Okay, today is Saturday, December 10th, 2011, and today we're going to be providing live sound and lighting for Tab Benoit. He's a great blues guitarist out of Louisiana. He's on tour. He's a national recording artist, and he's going to be at the Southern Hills Hilton here in Tulsa, Oklahoma. And they have contracted my company, Pure Sound Entertainment, to provide sound and lighting for him. So I'm really excited about this. This is a big deal. They contracted me actually about 6 months ago for this gig, so I'm looking forward to it. Anyway, it's about 11:34 right now. I'm going to get there a couple of hours before Tab is scheduled to get here, get everything set up, and then we're going to have sound check, I believe around 3:30. And the show tonight is actually going to be around, I think around 8:30, 9 o'clock. But there's a company that is bringing him here, and they've got some other company things that's going to be going on. I think they've got like a little company talent show, some speeches, that sort of thing, and that's going to start around 6. So as long as I'm up and have everything ready, like I said, sound check around 3:30, and then we'll get the show going at around 9 o'clock or so. All right, I will see you guys on the next clip when we make it to the Southern Hills Hilton. See you later. Okay, the time is 5 till 6, and believe it or not, we got everything done. We got everything set up. Just got finished sound checking the band. They sound awesome. Here's the studio live. I'm set up back here in the back of the room. I got capture. I recorded their sound check, played it back for them. That freaked them out. But that's where the band is going to be, up there on the stage. I'll go up closer and get a better look. But as you see, I'm using the PV 1015P Impulse speakers right there. Also one Yorkville LS 800P. One sub is probably too much for this little room, but what the heck. I've got 2 monitors here on the lead vocalist, Tab Benoit. And then I have 1 monitor on the bass player right there. And then we've got a monitor there in the back for the drummer right there. He's playing a Pearls Masters kit. It sounds awesome. We've got 2 guitar amps, and I've got a mic on both amps, one in the front and one in the back. And then I also have my light trees right there, the Chauvet 4 bars. I got a dual set, one on each side. And that's it. Sound check went well. Here are Tab's guitars right here. Some really, really cool guitars. Okay. So, I'm going to run to Walmart. I'm going to go get a thumb drive because I'm going to record the performance, give it to Tab as a present, and I will see you guys on the next clip. Peace. Okay, I'm outside. This is where I loaded in at, through this back door here. And there's my trailer, my vehicle, and I'm parked right next to Tab's tour bus. Right here, it's a huge sucker, man. But that's the tour bus right there. They are staying in the hotel, but this is the bus that they travel in. See if I can get a better view of it this way. It's nighttime now, but that's his tour bus right there. Alright, I'm going to run to Walmart and run home. I'll be back in about an hour. See you on the next clip. Alright, show's going. Everything's looking pretty good so far. Tab's on stage. Start recording them. The record button up here and capture. Now we're recording.
Diamond rings and limousines, down home girl, uptown dreams, penthouse suites, Broadway show. They just don't look like the South Pole. She's gone to the city. She don't know what to do. She got one foot in New York City, one foot in Boston.
Okay, it looks like everything's recording well and capturing. That's good.
Taxi cabs and traffic jams. Sure you can whistle, can't get in.
So I'm pretty happy with how everything is coming out so far. Tab sounds awesome. The band sounds really good. So that's about it, guys. I'll see you guys on the next clip. Peace.
She got one foot in New York City, one foot in Boston. Darling, just
vocalist, man, it's great. Looks like they've been playing for about, I'd say, an hour and 15. They've been playing for about an hour and 15 minutes right now. They're going to do one full set, I think 190-minute set. But we got started kind of late. Oh well. It's going really, really good. I think it's going to be over very shortly. It was a very successful night. The band sounded awesome. Studio live was great. Yeah.
If I could hold back my tears and make it there, When you feel that
They've been playing for
me all the while.
They've been playing for about an hour and 45 minutes so far. I think they're gonna play for maybe another 5 minutes and then they'll be done. So that'll be it. It'll be time to load out. Go. I had a great time though. See you guys later. All right, the gig is over and the time is it's 2:45. The gig was over a long time ago, but I stayed in there because Tab Benoit is extremely funny. He's drinking cognac and cracking us up. We found out, well, at least I found out tonight, I didn't know, but they knew. He's also a stand-up comedian. He started doing stand-up when he was 17. And the dude is really, really funny. So he's drinking more and more cognac and just cracking us up, talking about all kinds of things. So I think I was through packing up and loading. I had everything loaded up at, I think it was around 2 o'clock. So here it is. No, I think it was about 1:30 I was through, and here it is 2:45. So I spent over an hour just in there listening to Tab. It was really funny. But all in all, the show was absolutely perfect. I got so many compliments on the sound. Tab was extremely happy with everything. The people were happy. People danced all night. Recorded the performance. Thank God for the studio live. And I put it on a thumb drive and I gave it, I didn't give it to Tab. I tried to give it to Tab and he's like, I don't want that. He's like, I do 250 shows a year. What the hell I want to listen to myself for? Cracked me up. But the other guy, stage manager, Adam, I gave it to him because he wanted it. He's like, hey, Tab doesn't want it, I'll take it. I'll take it home and mix it in my Pro Tools rig. I'm like, cool. So at least somebody got it and they were very thankful for everything. So it was a perfect gig and I really enjoyed it. So that's about it, guys. This is Vince signing off. You guys take it easy out there and see you later. All right, peace.